So let me take a look on my chin. It's not looking bad at all, and that is because I've been using this natural homemade remedy for my chin. As a matter of fact, I use it on my chin. I shave my chin before, and then I use it on my chin, and it helps to inhibit the hair growth. If you have hair on your face or anywhere else that you're not comfortable having it, then I have this remedy for you. It's good to use anywhere on your body. However, I suggest to take a shave first. Now this remedy, I'm using just a few ingredients that most of you already have in your kitchen. And what do you have to lose trying this remedy? Actually, absolutely nothing. What do you have to gain? Lesser hair growth. This is going to inhibit the hair growth, causing it to grow back less and less and less. Now, mark you, I normally use this when I'm traveling because it takes about 7 to 10 days before the hair grow back. I tried it, I tested it, has proven to be very, very good for getting rid of the facial hair. So if you're looking for a quick and easy remedy, then you can try this remedy is for you. So continue watching. Before I jump in the kitchen, however, we have a variety of turmeric products from Khichi Beauty skincare on our website. We will talk some of those products for you that you can also try on your skin. They are not for hair removal, but the fact that they do have turmeric in it, what do you have to lose? Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this.
For this recipe, I'm going to be using some lemon. So to begin, I'm going to juice my lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which help to slow hair growth. The vitamin C in lemon juice will provide your skin with the nutrients needed to produce collagen and elastin. It is one of the best ways to get rid of body hair while keeping your skin healthy. So now that I'm done juicing, the next step is to get rid of the seeds. And you can also squeeze your lemon and store the juice in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days. Other than that, fresh lemon is best. For this recipe, you can also choose to use some lemon zest. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put this to the side and I'm going to introduce our next ingredient. I'm going to use some turmeric. I'm using some rose water, some baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, and a little bit of water. You're also going to need a bottle for storing the treatment. So now we're going to put this treatment together. I'm going to use a half a teaspoon turmeric powder. If you have fresh turmeric root, just grate it and juice it. It is even more better. I'm using a tablespoon of baking soda. We're going to mix this two together. And I'm adding a tablespoon of water to this. And I'm mixing a nice little paste with this. Now I chose to use water to mix this with. However, there are many other things that you could use to substitute the water. You can choose to use some potato juice. You can choose to use some green tea. You could even choose to use some lime, some grapefruit juice in this recipe. So just use whatever you have at hand where the liquid is concerned, since the most important ingredient is the turmeric powder. Okay, so now let's move on. This. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water helps maintain the skin pH balance and also controls excess oil. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin after shaving. Due to the estrogen-like properties it possesses, rose water helps clean pores and tone the skin. Now let's move on to our next ingredient, which is the lemon juice. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. If you're using lime in this recipe, go ahead and use the same amount, 2 tablespoons. You can even choose to use some apple cider vinegar instead of the lemon juice.
And we're going to give this a nice stir. Just keep stirring until the froth goes away, and that's when you know it's ready.
Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, a natural substance that is crystalline but often appears as a fine powder. This alkaline substance has antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps to break down hair follicles and prevent future hair growth.
Just keep stirring. And now this is ready. You can store it in your refrigerator just like this. You can also choose to pour it in a spray bottle for easier application.
Turmeric has antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties. It helps to inhibit the hair growth with its amazing properties. Regular usage will discourage the hair growth on your body, such as the pubic and underarm area, when used regularly. And now this is done, and I'm just going to cover. If you are not using a spray bottle, that's okay. And our treatment is ready. So now let me show you how to use.
So you're going to give the bottle a shake like I'm showing here. And once you put it in a spray bottle, what you're going to do, you are just going to spray it wherever you want to remove your hair, whether it is on your chin, on the arms, or anywhere on your body. Now, if you do not have a spray bottle, then you can choose to use a cotton pad, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You take this cotton pad, you put it on the cotton pad, and you just rub your chin area with it. Rub it all over. Make sure to shave before if you have a lot of hair under your chin. And once that is done, you're just going to leave it there for a couple of hours, and then you rinse off. This can also be used at night, so you can apply it at night on the hair and rinse off in the morning. You need to use this for at least 7 days straight for better result. However, if you shave and you use it 1 or 2 nights, it still will inhibit the hair growth. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days.